I'm on vacation and literally the money just keeps rolling in, and want to ask how. And this is basically through affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? I've spoken about affiliate marketing 1,001 times in my previous videos. And basically, affiliate marketing is when you promote the products or service of a company. It could be an individual, literally, and you get paid for doing so. Now, this is how much I have made in affiliate marketing in the past week. I did not have to do a single thing. I didn't have to lift a pin. All this money comes from affiliate marketing. All I had to do was post the link about a financial product that I'm using that I really love that works. People click the link and sign up, and I get paid $60 per sign up. Now you see how sweet this is. Now let's say, for example, we multiply that $60 times, I don't know, 100 people. Or let's say 1,000 people. What, I have about 20k followers on Instagram. I have about 800 followers on YouTube. I have a total combined of, let's say, 7k followers on TikTok. Now let's say that about 5 or 10% of this combined followers of mine sign up to this particular platform. How much do you reckon I'm gonna make from that? I'm not trying to be petty. I'm just saying that if you really want to make extra income, affiliate marketing is a stream to consider. And it's amazing because every single day, me and you, we recommend and refer products and services to people. It could be strangers we meet on the street. It could be our friends, our colleagues, and we do not get paid for it. For example, what I'm wearing today is a two-piece item. I just went to the restaurant to have breakfast. And I got, oh my gosh, I love your outfit. Where did you get it from? And I'm like, okay, I'll tell you because I do not get keep. And I tell her I get this outfit from Fashion Nova, and even offers to send her the link, which, by the way, I am no affiliate. Offers send her the link so she can get the name of the outfit and order it. And now I have helped Fashion Nova make money. I have given them a customer, a new customer. And now this customer would go to Fashion Nova's website to order this two-piece. And who knows, she might see a dress that catches her attention or another two-piece that catches her attention. And then she ends up buying everything. And I do not get paid a penny for that. Meanwhile, they've made extra income from this customer that I've referred. Now, that is affiliate marketing. The only difference is with affiliate marketing, you actually get paid. It's a referral system that gives you extra income. And it's like network marketing. Everybody says they don't like network marketing, which is very weird because I thought people like, if you can network market, if you can master the art of network marketing, you will definitely excel in affiliate marketing because it is basically the same thing. You get paid for referring people to a company to use a product or to use a service. So here are 3 simple steps for you to get started as an affiliate marketer. Very easy, cut to the chase, nothing really fancy, nothing really serious. The first thing you want to do is look around you. What business, what company has a business, a product, or a service that resonates with you as an individual that you think or you know you can make sales from. For example, look at me, for example. I am beautiful. I have a banging body. I'm just trying to toot my horn a little bit. I can say I want to work for a fashion brand, let's say like Fashion Nova, which I'm going to shoot them an email tomorrow, by the way, to tell them that I need an affiliate link. So let's say I sent Fashion Nova an email saying, I'd like to join you as an affiliate. This is what I can offer. I have a good dress sense. I mean, if you go to my Instagram, you can tell I have a good body, very obvious. I know how to style clothes, very obvious. And then I get a link. So what that means is all I have to do every day is take pictures of me wearing an outfit, or take videos of me wearing an outfit, or just wear an outfit and walk around the street. I'll definitely get a compliment saying, oh, your outfit is so lovely. Where did you get your outfit from? And then I can share the link with this person, telling them this is where I got my outfit from. Right? So the first thing you want to do is scope a business that has a product or a service that you can sell that resonates with you. It could be something as simple as a footwear brand that sells footwear, and you're a female, you have lots of female friends, or you have lots of female followers on Instagram. That is an amazing deal. It could be a car dealership company. Maybe you know people that are always looking to buy cars. You could go and strike a deal with them and say, okay, I'll bring you XYZ customer in exchange for XYZ amount. There is no company that will literally say no to extra income or no to extra sales, regardless of where it comes from. That is the first step. Scope a business. The number 2 is decide how you want to market the product of that business. Do you want to do word of mouth where you go talking to people every day, which again is an attribute of network marketing? Only this time around, it's affiliate marketing. You're getting paid as well to do it. So you can decide you want to talk to people every single day, telling them that you have this amazing product and service for them that you like to introduce them to use and buy. And all they have to just buy into the product. Now, they do not have to know that you're going to get paid for it. In fact, they would not know at all. So you introduce them to this product and service, they place an order, and then you get paid. But you have to choose how you want to get your customers. Do you want to do direct word-to-word marketing? Do you want to tell a friend, that, oh, I have products for sale. If you bring a buyer, I'm going to give you 5% or 1% of the 10% I earn as a commission. I'm going to give you 30% of whatever percentage I earn as a commission. That is another way. Or you can say you want to leverage digital marketing, which is by running sponsored ads on that product or their service. And you can also decide to leverage social media, which is by posting about it repetitively and continuously on every social media platform. But one social media platform that really works for affiliate marketing and network marketing, I find, especially affiliate marketing, is Facebook. Facebook groups, that is where you want to enter. Like, Facebook groups should be your target. If you can, be chummy or get closer to Facebook group admins, that is literally an amazing way. You see, Facebook groups, that is one super amazing way to literally promote your products and services and get paid very, very fast. So now, I said scope the business. Number 2, decide how you want to, promote this product or this service I've gotten from the business. And then number 3 is do not be ashamed. Like, this is your hustle. This is what gives you money. This is what puts food on your table. So do not be ashamed. I woke up today to an extra $60. I just woke up and got a notification that, okay, someone has signed up using my link and I got paid $60. And what do you think I did? I went ahead to repost the link again on all my socials. I don't care if you think it's cringe, if I've done it 100 times in the past 100 days. I really do not care, because at the end of the day, that is what makes me money. That is what gives me the extra income to fund this lifestyle, my traveling lifestyle, my investing lifestyle, my baby girl lifestyle. So I really do not care. So I think that people should not be ashamed. A bonus point and a bonus tip is you can create a page, a social media page strictly for your affiliate product, so it'll be easy for you to attract new audience, make videos and pictures without being worried about what people will say. That is if you're really bothered about what people will say. And then if it is, let's say, a digital product, for example, and you get an affiliate link, you might want to consider creating a blog, or you can sign up on Medium. Very easy. Like, Medium is very easy. There's a free version. Sign up on Medium, blog and post about it every once in a while. Share your links to social media pages and all that. And when people click on the link in your Medium, because you can attach the link to your blog, like, master the art of storytelling. Tell a story on your blog, on this Medium page. Attach the links, selling the products, and you're good to go. So this is how to make money with affiliate marketing. It is very simple, very direct, especially if you really set your mind to do it, then it becomes a whole lot easier. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends and anybody that you think that might need it. Until I see you guys again,